What else could there be to do except do the right thing for you? It's a trap guy, Kod Testimonies. Oh man, trying to make sure I do the right thing in life as usual, and respect the game, because there definitely is one. There's different levels to this, but I want to be in the right mindset, in the right frame of mind when I'm thinking. So I'm not trying to do anything to impair my judgment. I'm out here just keeping it real with you. I'm sick of losing when I don't necessarily have to lose. So that's why I'm cleaning up everything in the past. This grits, this right here is some pasta. I guess when you really think about it, and you put it all together, it could be a gumbo soup. But these grits, oh, they're delicious. And this pasta, it could be a little bit softer, but it works. I'm listening to Jason Black right now. You know, when I listen to black media, or the Democrats, or the Republicans, or anybody, you have to always remember they have their agenda behind them, their talking points. And you have to realize what generation they came from, what perspective, and what's the goal. But you gotta keep your mind on what you want to do, and don't get caught up in what everybody else wants to do. It's absolutely delicious. I'm ready for a comeback, y'all. So be ready. It's a trap guy, Kod Testimonies.